Owning an Airbnb in Joshua Tree is not for the faint of heart.
We just got back from Home Depot, doing some returns, went to Walmart, got some new towels for the Cowboy pool. I am about to start crushing this third bedroom with organization. I am just going to be so organized with it. You don't even know. I went to Walmart the other day. I've been to Walmart twice this week. It's got some racks, so that should work for towels and laundry, any kind of bedding. I'm going to have all organized for our cleaning ladies. Got the open trench in the back. We're going to close that up in a little bit. I'm wearing long sleeves and long pants because I got so sunburnt yesterday. If my legs are in the sun, there's holes in these yoga pants. My legs start to sting. TMI.
Is a freaking mess. What is this? I thought we were supposed to be cleaning.
What do you mean? Well, I've got to do what Rachel Metz says. You got to clear out the space so you can see it and then go from there. So that's what I'm doing. I cleared out the space. I put our AC units in the garage where they should be.
And then you're oodling.
And then I'm going to oodle at my cleanliness.
Yeah, and then you're going to fill it back up.
And then I'm going to fill it back up with these new stackable bins and
great.
Racks.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Here's a video of the video.
All right, I've got all of the cleaning supplies right here for the cleaning ladies. And then I've got 2 areas for towels and blankets. Hopefully this will be enough. They're kind of bulky, so I'm going to fold everything down and make them smaller. And then we've got over here any extras. We've got sponges that we put out for the guests. We've got soaps and makeup wipes. We've got coffee, fire starters, snacks, our signature spray. And then this bin is empty right now. I haven't decided what I'm gonna put in there yet. We've got paper towels, toilet paper. So here's what it looks like so far. This is a mirror we're gonna DIY later down the line, and it's heavy as heck, so it's staying in here. We still need to bring back in the mops and stuff. I'm gonna get a new mop. I really want the O-Cedar mop. And yeah, we've got some fresh laundry in these trash bags and some fresh laundry right here. Just need to get it all folded and ready to go. I think I'm gonna move stuff off this table and fold on this table because it's clean.
Okay, we did it. Don't let the jacket fool you. It's about 80 degrees out here today. Got super sunburnt yesterday on my arms and stuff, so I'm trying not to. So that was a workout, but I think we have filled that in. Now, there's more to do. Okay, so the amazing person at Home Depot helped me rig this up. But basically we want to figure out how to drain this Cowboy pool so people don't have to stick their hand in the water and unplug it. It's on the outside, and they can just turn it and, you know, release it or stop it, whatever. So basically I got a male adapter here to put on this side, and let's see how this goes. Okay, so I got this rigged up. I had to dig up the hose to see if it would work. Let's see. I can hear it going. Let's check the other end. It's coming out over here. See that? I think this should work. Someone is wearing the hat of shame. He hurt his ear and it's got a scab on it, so we're trying to let it heal, and he is not happy. But he's excited to be outside laying in the sun. Look at the babushka.
It's so different compared to yesterday.
Oh,
It's so good.
That's so good. Okay, so this is our drainage system right now, and I'm trying to figure out how to get it to spread. So we now have kind of like a little river that will be fed by the pool. We'll go out to the plants, and I think we were talking about maybe, we can put some rocks down, some plants along this so that they grow from this water. I think that will be a cool feature.
I just jumped in the Cowboy pool. It felt amazing. So I'm gonna go finish the king bedroom. I gotta make the bed because we slept in the king last night, and clean the floors, and we're good to go.
Put it on the wrong way. Owning an Airbnb in Joshua Tree is not for the faint of heart. I gotta say, this is not easy. Like, having an Airbnb, like it maybe in an apartment or something, would be so much easier. This is a lot of work. Moving dirt, dealing with different elements, extreme hots, extreme colds, plants, room to grow too. Now it's just us. So, and the cleaners, but we sometimes have to, we have to come in and do a detailed clean every once in a while. This is a lot of work on top of like having a job and a career. So if you're thinking of doing this, either A, have the money to hire somebody to do all of that hard work for you, or if you're on a budget like us and you have to do it all yourself, like with everything there's sacrifice, right? So like this was a bigger sacrifice than I thought it was going to be. And I still am working on relaxing when I'm here. We enjoy it, we really enjoy it. And hopefully this has been entertaining to you, but there are a lot of factors that go into it. So just think about that. It's not just wipe your hands and you're done and you're just making money. It's a job as well. So just know that. And I hope you've enjoyed this episode, because I am exhausted and sunburnt and sweaty and wearing board shorts and boots. So thank you for watching. Oh.